Good morning! I got the honor to film very eventful days in Maranello, Modena of Pete's Ferrari buying experience. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I arrived in Modena and today we're gonna have the factory tour and Pete is gonna spec his 296 Speciale. And look, we're staying at a hotel quite close to the Ferrari factory and look what we have here. The Purosangue. In person, this thing looks spectacular. The trip to the Tailor Made experience was 100% paid by Ferrari Bangkok, and they even sent a salesperson from Bangkok with Pete to make the trip even better. It's your big day.
Good morning.
We are here in front of the famous Ferrari factory in Modena. I'm here with my friend Pete, and Pete, let them know how long it took you to get here.
How long?
How many flights?
Two flights, just two flights. It was 6 + 6.
So 12 hours in total, from Bangkok to Dubai.
And a 2-hour layover. So.
14 hours in total. And I took a drive from Vienna to here and it took me about 7 hours. Quite long, but it's definitely gonna be worth it, right?
Yeah, I hope so. So we're gonna have a factory tour first.
Okay.
In the morning. We're gonna have lunch here at this restaurant. Can you say hi?
That's pink.
Then in the afternoon we're going to go spec the car.
Okay. Sadly, you're not allowed to film in the Ferrari factory, but let me tell you, if you have the chance to go, it is definitely worth it. After the tour, we went to the famous restaurant Cavallino, which is right next door to the factory, where Ferrari invites you for food if you book the Tailor Made experience. Before the Tailor Made, we did a quick trip to Ferrari's Enzo Museum, where the history of Ferrari is portrayed and the story of Enzo Ferrari. Oh, and another cool thing, if you buy something in the shop as a Ferrari owner, you get a 20% discount, so Pete got a discount. And here is Pete looking down on his future 296 Speciale. Epic. At the end of the tour, you also get a small present.
Ooh, it's up. That's cool.
And now the most epic part of the trip started, the specking experience. And we were allowed to film by the team. What an honor. Pete held a quick presentation of what inspirations he had in mind, and then the designing started.
Like a bit more papaya, right? So the Speciale can use this seat. It's a special seat.
Only this one.
The version Speciale cars, like the XX and the 296 Speciale, you can put this seat on it. Usually you only have this carbon racing one. Oh, that's a nice pattern on it too. But so this is reserved for like the
special one.
Special cars, yeah. So of course I'm gonna have to go for that.
Yeah. And which color?
Remains to be seen. I don't know.
So how it works, you are alone in a big room and 4 people, 5 including the salesperson, take care of you and go through every detail of your new car with you. Check out all those different colors.
Blue carbon.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Red car. Just for his. Okay.
Yeah, proud.
Look at this. This is nuts.
And here the fabric colors. They had nearly every rim in the room, every color, actually about 250 different ones, variations on what fits, interior colors. It was like making a new tailor-made suit.
Can I take a photo of this process?
Yeah, sure.
This is
Sure.
two colors on the Amalfi.
Yeah, the Amalfi. Because this is actually a colour that we developed for the cavalcade, but yeah, the Amalfi colour is very like this.
Yeah.
Sort of lightweight materials. We use like Alcantara, ultra suede. We use a lot of technical materials like the large reef carbon fits into this. Really like bright and powerful, like livery combinations as well. Doors with different inspiration. The metal flooring is possible on this model. We also have another option called just titanium flooring with this car, which is really, really beautiful. This is jeans under. So actually the red is inspired by our old like Formula One pilot suits. So we have, originally it was red, we have blue, we have black, and you have all the different types of materials that you can use inside the car. This is very nice. super fabric used in a lot of military wear because it's stab proof and bulletproof.
Oh, wow.
This Trilovato pattern
No, I don't need.
is these two styles of seats.
Yeah.
Racing seat, if you want to have your electric function on the
I
driver.
was looking at.
Yeah.
Yeah. But maybe doing. I mean, that's for the model.
Yeah,
Maybe
the best
something fun
race
with the clean
seat,
seats.
you can only do the back.
But is the red one the most expensive, or is there...
It looks like a titanium.
Ah, titanium, okay.
Yeah, that one is more expensive. Oh, 296.
Wow. This
Senior
color.
not sold 250 GTO. I think.
The old one.
Your old one.
In the room they have a tailor-made Purosangue with an individual color with what seems like every add-on Ferrari offers. Purosangue, as many of you probably don't know, in Italian is called pure blood. Is it soft close or?
Yeah, it does.
Is Pete gonna have that also on his one?
Yes. Now you see like this,
Yeah.
the special one.
So is that an extra cost or
Yeah,
charge?
it's the cost.
Okay.
Also like on here.
Yeah.
And
You're probably wondering why you don't see the final spec of Pete's car. Pete wants to keep it private for now, for a later video.
oh yeah. Put it here.
Ah, okay. Wow. And all this carbon is also...
Yeah, that's it. You have to pay.
You have to pay.
No, it's not working.
It's not working. How much do you think is this car? The one standing here right now?
This one?
Yeah.
Operate is 80.
80 million Thai
I
baht.
think so. Yeah.
That's in US dollar 2.3 million, okay.
Yeah.
Crazy.
This one the airbrush thing. This one
Airbrush.
is Right. Probably Thailand 1 million. Cost you 1 million.
Oh, that's an extra.
Extra.
Oh, okay, okay.
For me, for
Yeah.
myself, I quite like this one.
That's cool.
But you know, if like sometimes you clean the car and scratch it,
Yeah.
how to repair? How to repair them?
Sure. Yeah.
I don't know. See that?
Okay.
So this one is a laser engraving.
Wow.
So exactly like
And
this.
this is
but on
only
pink.
available on an aluminium body because it's laser engraved.
yeah,
Whereby if you have a carbon body, we can't apply this feature.
They also offered Pete suitcases and luggage for his new car.
Could you email it to me too?
We just finished the Tailor Made tour
We gotta do a video.
and we spent how long? 4 hours perfecting your
4.
car.
I hope it's perfect.
So Pete, what did you like about the experience?
I mean, everything. I got to do like my own, like make my own really unique car, right? The launch spec is actually really, really nice, but
Yeah.
I didn't want something like too similar to the launch spec, so that's why
Okay.
I went with something of my own.
Oh, and if you want to know more about Pete and how he got his supercars, best is if you go on my channel and check out the other videos I made with Pete. We have, I think, 2 or 3 epic videos where we pick up his SVJ and his Revuelto. So definitely worth checking out. I even did a quick Q&A with him in these videos. So if you're curious, go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm back home now in Vienna. I kind of forgot to shoot an outro, so sorry about that. But as you can see, the experience was one of a kind. I can highly recommend it to anyone who's able to experience it. Thank you so much for Pete for inviting me, and I hope to see you in the next video. And it's most likely going to be in Bangkok. So stay tuned, it's going to be epic.